It's not often we get to talk about technological advances at the dealership level, but one we can report on is a recent association between the folks at General Motors and a company called UVEye. UVEye has developed the hardware and the software available to GM's 4,000 dealers that will quickly do a complete body scan of the vehicle they bring to the dealership.
Systems, vehicles are driving through them, and we're able to give you a full condition report on the vehicle. So we have the Artemis that scans the tires of the vehicle. We're taking images both of the sidewall and the treads. So basically, we're able to tell you exactly what is the full condition of the tires, including the DOT to understand how old the tire is, the brand, size, load and speed, cuts, bulges, rim damages, dry rot, everything about the tires. We also have the Helios that helps us to inspect the undercarriage of the vehicle. You can find all leakages, broken parts, missing parts, different severity and levels of rust, everything from the mechanical and safety perspective. And we have the Atlas that scans the exterior of the vehicle, can detect scratches, dents, chips in the windshields, broken parts, repainting of the vehicle, pretty much everything from the exterior of the vehicle.
You don't get many in your career that you can see where you can literally see that we have the opportunity to change the game the way it's been done. When the customer comes in, they're looking for speed and accuracy to get through the process. They also want to have transparency and confidence. And so now you're able to show them the physical evidence, right, of what you're talking about. You have the images, you have the pictures, you're able to show and identify. And they see it just about real time because the vehicle comes through, and then we're able to go back and have that conversation with the customer. So it really changes the dynamic from, hey, I found something, to, hey, let me show you what I'm seeing. That's what we're doing.
The dealership has an option of using the service, is that correct? It's not mandatory.
Well, that's correct. It's optional. Mm-hmm. Yep, absolutely.
And you've already shown it to some dealers. Some dealers are using it in a beta format. But what expectations do you have?
Well, the big thing right now is how much are we going to be limited with how fast we can produce and get the hardware from UVEye. And so I don't think we're going to be short for people that are interested in it, because I think the value is going to speak for itself. And so now we have to manage the expectations with the global supply chain, how quick we can get things. So I don't want to quote a number because we haven't figured out our final plan yet, our implementation plan with UVEye.